Hi, today's video regarding Canon Pixma TR4527 printer. So I'm going to show you how to do the Wi-Fi direct setup. So we are going to use the inbuilt Wi-Fi system of this printer and we will directly connect it with our Android device, iPhone or a laptop, and then we will do the wireless printing and scanning. So there are few steps involved in that. First we need to switch on the wireless direct setup. Then we want to find out the password, and then we will connect it with our Android device. And you also download the Canon Print app from the App Store. Now switch on the printer and go on the display screen. Now once we go on the control panel, we press this setting button, and now you will see setup menu is there, and we will look for the device setting option and click OK. In this option we will look for the LAN setting and click OK on that, and then we look for the Wi-Fi direct setup and click OK on that. Now we need to switch on it, so click OK again, and it will ask enable wireless direct. Yes. Now it's switching it on. Now you will see it says done, and now we have to go ahead and look for the security protocol and switch it on as well, and it will display a password here. You can see this is the password of the Wi-Fi network of this printer. Now you can write down or you can leave it on the screen, and now we will go on the smartphone. Now in the smartphone we go and open the Wi-Fi network. So go to the setting option, and here we look for the printer's Wi-Fi. So you can see it will appear here direct TR4500 series. Once we click on that, it will ask the password. Now we need to enter the password here and click on the connect button, and it is connected with the printer's Wi-Fi. Now we need to open the Canon Print app and add this printer there. Now it says, do you want to search for available printers? Yes. Now it will search and add the printer automatically, so you might have to wait for few minutes. Here we can see the final confirmation, and you will see it is added. So once you click on the cancel button, and you will see the printer is available here, and it also displays the level of ink. If you want, you can click on the printer and you can get more details. Now I will show you how to do the wireless scanning and printing. To do the scanning, we first need to place a page in the top scanner facing downwards, or if we want to do multiple pages, we can use the top feeder. And I'm going to place 2 pages here in the top feeder tray, and that is to be facing upward. And now we go on the display screen of our Android device and click on the scan button. Now there is a change setting option, so if you want, you can change it to the PDF so that we can save it in a single file. We can also select the size like A4 size, and we go back and click on the scan button. So you will see the feeder tray will start to work. Now here is the result. It is saved in a particular location. So once you click OK, you will see this screen, and you can see it has scanned both pages, so both are available here. And now I will show you how to do the wireless printing. Now the same way, go to the app and look for the print document section. Now select any document you want to print, and here we can click on the next button, select current page or all pages. Again we can change the setting, like we can increase the number of copies if you want two-sided copying or two-sided printing, and go back and click on the print button. So this is the output tray here which we can open. So here we can see the printing is done, and this way we can do the wireless printing and scanning using this printer. So overall I recommend this printer if you want to use it for the home or office, because it's quite efficient and connectivity is really good, and it's smooth when you want to print and scan wirelessly. Thanks for watching.